Bangladesh is the harmony of nature, people, and community. And this amazing bonding has made people of Bangladesh dream big and achieve greater heights. Over the decades, many people of Bangladesh have made remarkable impact in national and international development. This is the most important part of who we are and inspires us to what we do. We feel proud to be a part of Bangladesh and call it our home. This time we got engaged with Microsoft and Microsoft Excel community who are contributing to the development of people involved in data driven decision making process. And we are bringing them together in the biggest virtual Excel event in Bangladesh, which is likely to be a remarkable international Excel event. We call it Bangladesh Excel Summit. Speakers from 5 different continents of the world are joining us on October 16th. Now let's talk about Excel and data. For over 35 years now, Microsoft Excel has been helping millions of students, professionals, entrepreneurs, and organizations to better utilize data. Now, data has become the fuel of this century, and Excel is playing a vital role in analyzing, reporting, and visualizing to make best possible decisions from raw data. Now, Mahmoud Bhai will tell you about some use cases of Excel.
Organization of any size can be benefited from Excel. For example, small and medium enterprise, Excel is must-have tool. Though large-size firms are using ERP, enterprise resource planning, CRM, customer relationship management, and some other tools, those are bringing auto-generated dashboard. But Excel can be used for further analytics. For example, they are collecting data from their automated dashboard and they can use those data or analyze those data by using Excel. For individual, Excel can be used in any purpose. For example, you require data analytics for your accounts related issues or finance related issues, or suppose you are working on your digital marketing issues. Everywhere you can use Microsoft Excel. You may already know, in today's business world, data are the core components. If you analyze further, you will see data are relevant in all recent technological development. For example, if we talk about fourth industrial revolution, 3 core components of fourth industrial revolutions are IoT, cloud computing, and big data analytics. All these 3 are relevant to data. IoT is used for data sourcing or data collecting. Cloud computing is used for data storing, and big data is used for data analytics. So you see, as we are talking about fourth industrial revolution, basically it is based on data. In recent development, if we talk about digital transformation, COVID-19 accelerate digital transformation. And if you break down that, you will see the core component of digital transformation is data. Considering the essence, Thriving Skills is introducing Bangladesh Excel Summit, which is going to be held on 16 October 2021. The summit will address both the supply and demand of data. We would like to prevail the data-driven culture in the business environment. To address that, the summit will cover the business intelligence infrastructure relevant discussion. Bangladesh Excel Summit will make data skill prevalent among business professionals. As an individual, if you attend the summit, you would able to transform your skills according to the demand of the market. And as an organizational representative, if you attend in the summit, you would able to understand how to transform your human resources according to the demand of digital transformation. Thriving Skills is empowering human resources through skills development. And with this summit, we are going to empower human resources with data skills. Now, let's get back to Rupumbai.
Until now, you have learned from Mahmood Bhai about the importance of this summit. Our experienced speakers who are Microsoft MVPs, Microsoft MCTs, professional trainers, and industry experts will guide you through 15 master classes, 10 special classes, and 8 panel discussions. We have created this opportunity for you to make data useful for effective decision making as a student, professional, an entrepreneur, or an organization. See you on October 16.